Welcome to today's video. If you're a senior looking for natural tips to improve your health, you're in the right place. Did you know that olive oil and lemon, two ingredients easily found in your kitchen, can help you tackle over 10 health problems quickly and effectively? Today, we'll explore how this wonderful combination can help reduce belly fat, improve heart health, support joints, and even beautify your skin, all with just a few drops of lemon and a spoonful of olive oil each day. Reduce stress, enhance memory, and boost immunity. Sounds magical, right? But it's absolutely true. Let's dive in now. 1. Detoxing the liver, boosting detoxification. Direct hit: why does the liver need to be detoxed, especially for those over 60? The liver is the body's primary detox organ, filtering up to 1.4 liters of blood per minute daily, removing toxins, medications, alcohol, chemicals, bacteria, and even excess fats. But after 60, liver function declines noticeably due to the natural aging of liver cells, toxin accumulation over the years, prescription drugs, processed foods, pollution, slower metabolism, causing the liver to become overwhelmed. Backhand index pointing right: when the liver is tired, we may notice signs like persistent fatigue with no clear cause, bloating, indigestion, light yellowing of the skin, dark urine, dull skin, itching rashes, difficulty sleeping, waking up tired. Spoon: so how does the olive oil plus lemon mixture help the liver? Yellow circle: extra virgin olive oil contains monounsaturated fatty acids that activate the gallbladder, promoting bile flow, essential for removing toxic fats from the liver. Rich in polyphenol, powerful antioxidants that protect liver cells from oxidative stress damage. Supports liver cell regeneration thanks to abundant vitamins E and K. Lemon: fresh lemon, rich in vitamin C, which is essential for the liver to produce glutathione, a crucial enzyme in liver cell detoxification. Mildly alkaline, helping stabilize the liver in a breathing environment. Boosts natural liver enzymes, enhancing liver function in the morning, the most important time for detoxification. Alarm clock: why should it be consumed in the morning on an empty stomach? In the morning, the liver has just completed its detox process overnight. Drinking this mixture as soon as you wake up will speed up toxin elimination, cleanse the intestines, and prepare your digestive system for the day. On an empty stomach, your body absorbs more efficiently, boosting detox benefits without interference from food. Light bulb: common results users feel after 7 to 10 days. Feeling lighter, more alert in the morning, better appetite and digestion, brighter skin, fewer rashes or itching, deeper sleep, no waking up in the middle of the night. Reduced liver fat if maintained long-term, combined with a healthy diet. Do not use if you have severe stomach ulcers, due to the acidic nature of lemon. Choose cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. Avoid using blended, lower-quality oils. If you're on medication, consult your doctor before using this mixture. 2. Improving digestion, reducing constipation. Direct hit: why do seniors often suffer from constipation? Constipation not only causes discomfort, but also directly impacts heart health, brain function, and the liver if left untreated. It's common in older adults because slower bowel movements with age, causing food to stay longer in the colon, less movement, drinking less water, and eating less fiber due to weak teeth and reduced appetite. Side effects of medications for blood pressure, diabetes, and joint issues. Decreased digestive enzyme secretion, leading to dry stool that is difficult to move. Backhand index pointing right: the consequences include bloating, discomfort, difficulty sleeping, difficulty passing stool, incomplete bowel movements, possibly leading to hemorrhoids or anal fissures. Toxins accumulating in the bloodstream, affecting the liver and skin. Spoon: so how does the olive oil plus lemon mixture help reduce constipation? Yellow circle: extra virgin olive oil, natural lubricant for the digestive system. Olive oil acts as a natural lubricant for the intestines. It helps stool move more smoothly through the colon. It softens stool naturally without causing diarrhea like laxatives. The monounsaturated fatty acids in olive oil also stimulate the gallbladder to secrete bile, aiding in better fat digestion. Lemon: fresh lemon, gentle stimulator for bowel movements. Lemon helps stimulate the bowel's peristalsis, encouraging more regular contractions of the gut muscles, pushing stool out effectively. The mild acidity of lemon helps the stomach secrete gastric juices, supporting digestion from the start. Additionally, the vitamin C in lemon helps clean the intestines, offering mild antibacterial benefits and reducing bloating and fermentation from leftover food. Alarm clock: when should you take it for maximum effect? Drink it right after waking up, about 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. This is when the intestines wake up, and your body can absorb the mixture's effects optimally. Drinking it warm, you can add 50 to 100 milliliters of warm water, is even more effective. Light bulb: what users typically experience after 3 to 5 days. Easier, more regular bowel movements each morning. A lighter, less bloated feeling in the stomach, no discomfort. Less bloating, belching, and quicker digestion after meals. Brighter skin: when the intestines are clean and the liver is lighter, toxins no longer push out through the skin. Improved mood, as a healthy digestive system directly affects the nervous system. Warning: experts' advice: if you're using laxatives, consult your doctor before switching to this natural method. Do not take too much, just once a day in the morning is enough. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, 1.5 to 2 liters, to help the intestines work better. 3. Stabilizing blood pressure, reducing stroke risk. Direct hit: why are older adults more prone to high blood pressure? After the age of 60, high blood pressure becomes one of the most common underlying conditions, yet it is a silent killer. It doesn't cause noticeable pain, but silently damages blood vessel walls, leading to hardening and narrowing of blood vessels. Increased strain on the heart, leading to heart failure or heart attack. Risk of stroke, memory loss, paralysis, or even death. The main causes include loss of elasticity in blood vessels due to aging, high salt intake and unhealthy fats, chronic stress and anxiety, buildup of cholesterol and high blood fats. Spoon: how does the olive oil plus lemon mixture support blood pressure? Yellow circle: olive oil, the enemy of bad cholesterol, LDL. Studies have shown that olive oil helps to significantly reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure when used regularly. The oleuropein in olive oil helps dilate blood vessels and reduce resistance in vessel walls, which lowers blood pressure. Olive oil also helps increase HDL, good cholesterol, a natural heart protector. Lemon cleanses blood vessels, balances blood pressure. Lemon contains flavonoids, antioxidants that prevent fat from accumulating on blood vessel walls and reducing the risk of arteriosclerosis. It's rich in potassium, a mineral that helps balance sodium in the blood, supporting mild blood pressure reduction. Citric acid improves circulation, easing the strain on the heart. Alarm clock: when should you take it for optimal blood pressure effects? It's best to drink in the early morning, before eating. This is when the circulatory system is most active, and the mixture helps stabilize heart rate and blood pressure right from the start of the day. You can continue using it for 1 to 3 months, while regularly checking your blood pressure to monitor progress. Light bulb: what benefits can you expect after 2 to 3 weeks? Blood pressure gradually stabilizes, especially for those with fluctuating blood pressure. Less chest tightness, reduced palpitations, and better sleep at night. Fewer dizzy spells, and no more feeling heavy-headed in the mornings. Healthier skin due to better circulation. Reduced risk of stroke or heart attack when combined with a healthy diet. Warning: important notes from experts. Do not stop taking blood pressure medication when starting this mixture. Consult your doctor if you're on blood pressure lowering or anticoagulant medications. People with very low blood pressure should not take this mixture in the morning. Switch to taking it later in the day after meals. 4. Cleansing blood vessels, preventing arteriosclerosis. Direct hit: why should we cleanse blood vessels after age 60? Just like water pipes get clogged over time, blood vessels that accumulate plaque lead to danger. Plaques formed by cholesterol, calcium, and platelets cause arteries to narrow. This blocks blood flow, increases blood pressure, and reduces circulation to the heart and brain. It's the leading cause of heart attacks, strokes, kidney failure, and age-related memory loss. Speech balloon: according to the American Heart Association, over 70% of cardiovascular deaths are linked to arteriosclerosis. Spoon: how does the olive oil plus lemon mixture help cleanse blood vessels? Yellow circle: olive oil dissolves plaques and enhances vessel elasticity. Olive oil contains polyphenol and oleuropein, potent antioxidants that prevent LDL, bad cholesterol, from oxidizing, a key step in plaque formation. It helps break down small plaques, keeping the blood vessels clear. It also softens and protects the inner lining of blood vessels, making them flexible and elastic rather than stiff and hardened. Lemon clears blood vessel debris like warm lemon water cleans tea. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which boosts collagen production for blood vessel walls, reducing the risk of rupture and leakage. Flavonoids in lemon help lower blood fats, reduce inflammation in vessel walls, and prevent blood clots. The mild acidity of lemon helps alkalize the blood, aiding the liver and kidneys in eliminating waste more efficiently. Alarm clock, when is the best time to take it for blood vessel cleansing? Again, it's best in the morning on an empty stomach, so the mixture directly interacts with the circulatory system without food interference. Take it continuously for at least 30 days, alongside a reduced animal fat diet and increased vegetables for better results. Light bulb, what can users expect after 1 to 2 months? A feeling of lighter chest, no palpitations or heart-thumping sensations. Fewer symptoms like numbness or dizziness when changing positions. Reduced LDL levels on blood tests. Improved memory, increased concentration, and reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline. Brighter skin due to cleaner blood and a healthier liver. Warning: expert notes. People on blood thinners should consult their doctor before using this mixture. If you have stomach issues, dilute the mixture with warm water and avoid drinking it on an empty stomach. Consider this as part of a natural disease prevention lifestyle, not as a substitute for prescribed medication, but a powerful and safe support for treatment. 5. Supporting joints, reducing inflammation and pain. Direct hit: why do joints cry out more as we age? After 60, joint pain, arthritis, and stiffness in the morning become common complaints. The main reasons include joint cartilage degenerating, becoming thinner, and losing the cushioning between bones. Reduced synovial fluid leading to dry, stiff joints that crack when moved. Chronic inflammation in surrounding tissues causing swelling and pain. Buildup of uric acid causing gout arthritis. Backhand index pointing right result. Difficulty moving, pain when standing up, sitting down, and restless sleep. Spoon: how does the olive oil and lemon mixture help with joints? Yellow circle: olive oil, a powerful natural anti-inflammatory. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, which works similarly to ibuprofen, a common anti-inflammatory drug used for joint pain. It inhibits COX-1 and COX-2 enzymes, reducing inflammation in the joint, thereby decreasing pain and swelling. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil nourish cell membranes, helping joints stay more flexible. Lemon, anti-inflammatory, helps eliminate uric acid. Vitamin C in lemon is key to collagen production, an essential component of joint cartilage. Lemon also helps alkalize the blood and reduce uric acid, preventing gout arthritis. Powerful antioxidants like hesperidin and eriocitrin protect joint tissues from damage caused by free radicals. Alarm clock: how should you use it for joint support? Again, drink 1 tablespoon of olive oil with a few drops of lemon, diluted with warm water, early in the morning before eating. You can also add turmeric or honey, if not allergic, to boost anti-inflammatory effects. Light bulb: what will users feel after 2 to 3 weeks? Reduced stiffness in the morning, making it easier to walk. Less swelling, reduced redness and heat in the hands and feet. Reduced pain when going up and down stairs or performing light movements. Better sleep due to fewer aches waking you up. Increased ability to engage in light exercises, such as walking, joint rotation, and yoga for seniors. Warning: expert notes. If you're taking anti-inflammatory or gout medications, wait at least 1 to 2 hours before taking the mixture. Continue for at least 4 weeks and pair it with a diet low in red meat and high in alkaline fruits and vegetables for more noticeable results. Don't overuse. 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is sufficient to avoid digestive issues. 6. Boost memory, combat cognitive decline. Direct hit: why does memory start to decline noticeably after the age of 60? This is not just a part of aging, as many people mistakenly believe. Memory decline is usually the result of several underlying causes. Reduced blood flow to the brain due to arteriosclerosis or unstable blood pressure. Chronic inflammation of nerve cells, weakening the neural connections. Damage from free radicals, which destroy the structure of the brain's cell membrane. Lack of healthy fats and essential micronutrients needed to maintain brain function. Backhand index pointing right the result. Forgetfulness, frequent repetition, difficulty concentrating, and confusion. Warning signs of the early stages of dementia, Alzheimer's. Spoon so. How does the olive oil and lemon mixture help the brain? Yellow circle olive oil, lubricant for nerve cells. Rich in omega-9 and polyphenol, it helps protect the brain cell membrane from oxidation. The oleocanthal compound reduces inflammation in nerve tissues, supporting the maintenance of synaptic connections, the signaling pathways between brain cells. A study from Temple University, USA, found that extra virgin olive oil helps clean out the harmful amyloid beta protein, which accumulates in the brains of Alzheimer's patients. Additionally, olive oil activates the brain's cell cleanup mechanism, autophagy, helping the brain eliminate waste. Lemon increases circulation, awakens the mind. Vitamin C boosts iron absorption, increasing the oxygen supply to the brain. The flavonoids in lemon peel and juice have strong antioxidant properties, protecting nerve cells from degeneration. Lemon also has a cleansing effect, helping to reduce blood toxins, supporting liver and kidney detoxification, indirectly reducing the load on the brain. What happens after 30 days of using this combination? Improved alertness and concentration, especially in the morning. Reduced feelings of fogginess and forgetfulness. Enhanced blood circulation to the brain, reducing dizziness when changing positions. Deeper sleep. And as many people have said, every morning, my mind feels like it's been washed clean. Lightbulb, what do experts recommend? To support memory maximally, combine this morning mixture with activities such as reading, doing crossword puzzles, light meditation, or listening to classical music, all excellent forms of gym for the brain. Do not skip breakfast, as it is the primary energy source for the brain. Drink plenty of water and engage in light daily exercise to improve overall circulation, especially brain circulation. 7. Balance blood sugar, support for prediabetes. Direct hit. What is prediabetes? Why is it dangerous? Prediabetes is not a disease, but a critical warning phase when blood sugar levels are higher than normal but not yet high enough for a diagnosis of type 2 diabetes. The danger lies in the fact that this phase has no clear symptoms. However, every passing day, small blood vessels in the eyes, kidneys, heart, and nerves start to suffer damage. About 70% of people with prediabetes will develop full-blown diabetes within 5 years if adjustments are not made. Chart decreasing. So, how can we stabilize blood sugar naturally? In addition to eating fewer carbohydrates and exercising regularly, there are natural ingredients that help. Increase insulin sensitivity, the hormone regulating blood sugar. Slow the absorption of sugar from the intestines into the blood. Reduce chronic inflammation in the body, which is a root cause of insulin resistance. One of the simplest yet most effective natural formulas is backhand index pointing right olive oil plus fresh lemon juice. Yellow circle olive oil protects the pancreas, enhances insulin effectiveness. A good unsaturated fat, olive oil helps slow the absorption of glucose after meals. Numerous studies show that regular olive oil consumption stabilizes blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of insulin resistance. Olive oil also helps reduce inflammation in the pancreas, the organ that produces insulin, thereby protecting pancreatic function over the long term. Lemon naturally lowers blood sugar, supports fat elimination. Lemon contains natural polyphenol that inhibit the enzyme responsible for breaking down starch, reducing the speed at which starch is converted into sugar. Vitamin C and citric acid help alkalize the blood, aiding in insulin resistance reduction, one of the underlying causes of type 2 diabetes. Lemon also helps reduce liver fat and lower bad cholesterol, which is essential for those at risk of diabetes. Alarm clock. How to use correctly for blood sugar control. 1 tablespoon of olive oil plus 5 to 7 drops of lemon juice. Drink on an empty stomach in the morning. You can drink it with a cup of warm water to activate metabolism and cleanse the liver, the main organ regulating blood sugar. Bar chart. What to expect after 2 to 4 weeks of consistent use. More stable blood sugar levels with less fluctuation after meals. Reduced cravings for sweets and excessive eating, especially in the late afternoon. A lighter feeling in the body, less fatigue after meals. Some people report mild weight loss, a slimmer waist due to reduced visceral fat. Warning. Important notes. This formula is not a substitute for medication if you have diabetes, but is a great support for those on the borderline. Those on blood sugar-lowering medication should consult a doctor before adding any ingredient that can lower blood sugar. Avoid using this if you have severe gastric ulcers or are extremely hungry and haven't eaten anything afterward. 8. Boost immunity, combat bacteria and viruses. Direct hit: why does immunity weaken with age? As we age, our immune system becomes less effective, but this process can be accelerated by several factors. Decreased production of immune cells in the bone marrow and thymus. Chronic inflammation in the body reduces the ability to fight off pathogens. Reduced ability to produce antibodies and respond to foreign invaders. A poor diet lacking essential vitamins and minerals for immunity. The result is that the body becomes more susceptible to infections, the flu, or even more severe illnesses compared to when we were younger. Spoon: why do olive oil and lemon help boost immunity? Yellow circle: olive oil enhances natural immunity. The polyphenol in olive oil, especially oleuropein, have strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds help protect immune cells from free radical attacks and stimulate the production of cytokines, proteins that regulate immune cell function. Olive oil also supports the liver, the detoxifying organ, helping the immune system work more efficiently. Lemon strengthens the immune system, fights infections. Vitamin C in lemon is one of the key factors that boosts the immune system, protecting the body from bacteria and viruses. Vitamin C is a strong antioxidant, helping to increase white blood cell production to fight pathogens. Lemon essential oil also has anti-inflammatory properties, soothing infections in the body. Lemon also improves iron absorption from food, which helps maintain sufficient iron levels for the immune system. Brain: how do olive oil and lemon work on the immune system? Combining olive oil and lemon each morning helps. Enhance the ability to fight bacteria and viruses, especially during cold and flu seasons. Reduce chronic inflammation in the body, which is crucial as chronic inflammation weakens immune function. Strengthen natural resistance, helping the body actively fight foreign invaders. Support faster recovery after illness due to increased white blood cell production and immune cells. Alarm clock: how to use effectively. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil plus 5 to 7 drops of lemon juice. Drink on an empty stomach in the morning. You can combine it with a cup of warm water to improve body detoxification. It's advisable to maintain this daily and combine it with a diet rich in fresh vegetables and fruits, with little processed food. Bar chart: after 2 to 4 weeks of consistent use, users will notice less frequent colds, coughs, or other common infections. A stronger immune system with less fatigue or susceptibility to minor illnesses. A feeling of increased energy, faster recovery after being tired or doing heavy work. Reduced inflammation, especially in chronic conditions like arthritis or sinusitis. Warning: important notes. Interaction with medication: if you're on immunosuppressive drugs for autoimmune diseases or transplants, consult your doctor before regularly using this mixture. The quality of olive oil is crucial. Always choose cold-pressed, extra virgin olive oil to preserve all antioxidants and nutrients. Drinking this mixture in the morning before breakfast will enhance absorption. 9. Skin beauty, reducing dryness and wrinkles in older adults. Direct hit: why does our skin change as we age? As we reach our 60s, our skin undergoes several noticeable changes. Reduced collagen production. Collagen is a structural protein that keeps skin smooth and elastic. As we age, the production of collagen decreases, leading to skin that lacks elasticity and becomes prone to wrinkles and sagging. Decreased moisture retention. Oil glands become less active, causing the skin to dry out and lose vitality, especially during the winter. Free radical damage. Exposure to UV rays, pollution, and stress results in free radicals that damage skin structure, causing premature aging and making the skin prone to dark spots and freckles. Spoon: how do olive oil and lemon help beautify the skin? Yellow circle: olive oil, boosting moisture and preventing aging. Rich in vitamin E. Olive oil is high in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects skin cells from free radical damage, reducing the risk of premature aging. Healthy fats, omega-3, omega-6. These fats help provide moisture to the skin, preventing dryness and flaking. Oleocanthal olive oil. It has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the skin, reducing irritation and inflammation. Maintains the skin's protective barrier. Olive oil keeps the skin soft, smooth, and firm, effectively reducing wrinkles. Lemon. Improves skin tone and combats signs of aging. Vitamin C in lemon. This vitamin is crucial for collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles. Citric acid in lemon. It exfoliates the skin, helps cleanse it, and brightens it, reducing dark spots and freckles caused by sun exposure. Shrinks pores. Lemon helps tighten pores, making the skin appear smoother and healthier. Lotion bottle simple skincare formula. 1 tablespoon olive oil plus 5 to 7 drops of lemon juice. Mix with 1 cup of warm water to drink in the morning. You can also use olive oil and lemon as a face mask. Olive oil and lemon mask. Mix 1 tablespoon olive oil with 1/2 tablespoon lemon juice. Apply it to your face. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with warm water. Moisturizing mask. Mix olive oil with 1 tablespoon honey to moisturize and make your skin soft and glowing. Brain effects of olive oil and lemon on the skin. Improves elasticity, making the skin firmer and reducing wrinkles. Reduces the appearance of dark spots, freckles, and sun damage. Deeply moisturizes, preventing the skin from becoming dry or flaky. Brightens the skin. This formula will help your skin look brighter, more even-toned, and reduce dullness caused by aging. Bar chart changes you may notice after 2 to 4 weeks of regular use. Smoother, softer, and more radiant skin. Reduced wrinkles, especially around the eyes and mouth, areas most affected by aging. Skin becomes more plump, with less dryness or flaking. More even skin tone, with noticeable reduction in dark spots. Warning tips when using olive oil and lemon for skin beauty. Choose extra virgin olive oil to ensure optimal results. Test for allergic reactions. While rare, if you have sensitive skin, do a patch test before applying the mixture widely. Do not leave the mask on for too long, as lemon's strong acidity could cause irritation if left on too long. 10. Weight loss support. Belly fat control. Direct hit. Why is weight loss harder as we get older? As we age, weight loss becomes more challenging due to several factors. Slower metabolism. As we age, our metabolism slows down, reducing the body's ability to burn calories, leading to easier fat accumulation, especially around the belly. Decreased muscle mass. As muscle mass decreases with age, the body has less muscle to burn calories, making it harder to maintain body weight. Hormonal changes. The decrease in estrogen levels in women after menopause makes it easier for belly fat to accumulate. Sedentary lifestyle. Older adults tend to be less active, leading to lower calorie expenditure, making it harder to maintain weight. Spoon. How do olive oil and lemon help with weight loss? Yellow circle olive oil supports fat burning. Healthy fats in olive oil. Olive oil contains monounsaturated fats, MUFA, especially oleic acid, which helps stimulate fat burning without causing belly fat. Studies show that replacing saturated fats with healthy fats can help reduce visceral fat, including belly fat. Promotes satiety. The healthy fats in olive oil help reduce hunger, control portion sizes, and thus decrease calorie intake. Anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil helps improve insulin function in the body, reducing fat storage, especially around the belly. Lemon reduces belly fat and supports digestion. Pectin fiber in lemon. Lemon contains pectin, a soluble fiber that helps control hunger and promotes satiety, reducing calorie consumption. Boosts metabolism. Vitamin C in lemon plays a key role in increasing metabolism, helping the body burn energy faster. Lemon also aids in detoxification, helping eliminate waste and supporting weight loss. Alkalizing effect. Despite its sour taste, lemon has an alkalizing effect on the body, helping to reduce fat accumulation, especially around the belly. Lotion bottle effective weight loss formula. 1 tablespoon olive oil plus 5 to 7 drops of lemon juice. Drink in the morning on an empty stomach for great results in weight loss. Here's a more effective method. Combine with warm water. Drinking a cup of warm water with olive oil and lemon can stimulate the stomach, enhance digestion, and boost belly fat burning. Use daily to get the best results. Make this a morning routine to help your body burn fat throughout the day. Brain effects of olive oil and lemon on weight loss and belly fat. Boosts fat burning, especially around the belly, a common area for fat accumulation due to hormonal changes. Controls hunger, helping reduce daily calorie intake. Improves digestion, helping the body absorb nutrients more efficiently, reducing bloating and supporting weight loss. Reduces inflammation and improves insulin function, helping regulate blood sugar levels and reduce fat storage. Bar chart after 2 to 4 weeks of regular use. You will notice reduced belly fat with a lighter feeling when moving. Reduced hunger, making it easier to control portion sizes. Improved digestion with less bloating after meals. More stable weight and increased energy levels without feeling sluggish or tired. Warning tips when using olive oil and lemon for weight loss. Quality of olive oil is essential. Choose extra virgin olive oil for optimal results. Monitor your body's response. If you have any stomach issues, such as ulcers, consult a doctor before using. Diet and exercise. While olive oil and lemon support weight loss, combining them with a healthy diet and regular exercise is key to achieving long-term results. Now you know how olive oil and lemon can wonderfully support your health and beauty. With just one simple but powerful formula, you'll feel energized and healthier every day. Try it now and feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your loved ones, especially older family members. For more natural health and beauty tips, hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more valuable information. Wishing you always good health and youthfulness.